To clean main brush on a Roborock Q7, first of all, we'll need to remove the main brush by clicking on those two buttons right here. Then we can remove the cover and finally our brush. And now I wouldn't recommend to clean it with water, as this could damage the brushes right here. So instead of the water, I would just recommend to use first scissors to cut out any hair that will spin around eventually around the brush. So just try to be careful not to damage any of those brushes right here and the main brush like that. You can just cut between the hairs like to remove them, and then when there's dust, there will be dust on the main brush. You can just tap it above the trash bin until most of the trash is gone. Cleaning it with water will cause those brushes to just go in all directions, and it will quickly damage it. So I wouldn't recommend to use water, as I said for the second time. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.